Welcome to Food Cave. Today I'll show you our ingredients for our gravy. As you can see, this is meat or cuts you can actually make a nice poke out of, but we are making a gravy out of it. The ingredients for our gravy is onions, leeks, carrots, parsley, celery. Here we have tomato paste, flour, secret mix of herbs, I can't really tell you what that is, salt, black pepper, bay leaves and a couple of bird's eye chilies. Of course, for the color of the gravy, on this side we'll have the onion peels. Right. To top this all up, obviously lots of red wine. I will put this now, you see, no spices, no oil, no nothing. I will put this overnight into the oven. Not to roast, just to dry those bones out, and that tomorrow when I put them in the big pot, they can absorb all the flavors and then give it back again once I fill it up with water and the red wine. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you tomorrow how I finish this because it's still a secret. I'm sure there will be somebody around who tries to recreate this gravy, but help yourself. Okay, guys, let me just put the oven on. Go. This is not covered and will take at least 12 hours. I will see tomorrow morning how I was doing. And thank you for watching. Prost.